डिस्कस फॉरवर्ड वाइसिंग। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में जब भी आप फॉरवर्ड या रिवर्स वाइसिंग की बात करते हैं तो पीएन जंक्शन डायोड्स दे आर प्लेइंग अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट फॉरवर्ड वाइसिंग। Now, what I mean by forward vising? Before we can go for the forward vising, you people must have the knowledge of PN junction diode. ये PN junction diode है क्या? PN junction diode, it is also known as junction diode or semiconductor diode. These all are the name given to PN junction diode. When p-type material is sandwiched into n-type material in such a way so that there is a creation of the junction in the middle, then this material is known as PN junction diode, where this is one terminal and this is the second terminal. This symbol, which is like a triangle, that is known as P, and a line is responsible for defining N. और जब आप इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं एज अ कंबाइन तो इसको नाम दिया जाता है जंक्शन डायोड का। दिस इज बेसिकली जंक्शन डायोड। I can show you junction diode in different way also. Let us suppose this is P and N material, and this is the boundary which is going to differentiate. One side is P and another side is known as N. अब आप लोगों को पता है जब भी हम P की बात करते हैं, P में बेसिकली होते हैं होल्स। होल्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड लाइक दैट। और जब हम N की बात करते हैं, N में बेसिकली होते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। दे आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय नेगेटिव साइन। इफ इट इज अनबायस्ड, अनबायस्ड का मतलब जब इसमें कोई भी कंडक्शन हम बाहर से नहीं अप्लाई करेंगे, नो कनेक्शन इज गिवन फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, तो यहां जंक्शन पे N साइड से कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव करेंगे। दे विल मूव लाइक दैट and they will have their creation of the junction like that near the P surface. Similarly, कुछ holes P में से ट्रांसफर करेंगे N में और वो जंक्शन के पास यहाँ पे accumulate हो जाएंगे. So they will have a creation of the junction. तो बेटा ये वाला जो पोर्शन आपके पास बना, इस पोर्शन को नाम दिया जाता है डिप्लेशन लेयर. Now there are two possibilities. Possibility number one, अगर मैं P को पॉजिटिव ऑफ द बैटरी से कनेक्ट करूं और N को नेगेटिव ऑफ द बैटरी से कनेक्ट करूं, what the impact on the PN junction diode is. And second, if I am going to connect P with the negative and N with the positive, again what is the impact on the PN junction diode is. So today we are going to discuss about forward biasing. Means जब इस PN junction diode में P को मैं पॉजिटिव ऑफ द बैटरी से कनेक्ट करूंगा और N को नेगेटिव ऑफ द बैटरी से कनेक्ट करूंगा, तो आपके इस जंक्शन डायोड के ऊपर क्या इन्फ्लुएंस होगा एंड हाउ डिप्लेशन लेयर विल रिएक्ट अकॉर्डिंगली. सो सी द सर्किट डायग्राम. फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग ऑफ PN जंक्शन डायोड. A junction diode is said to be forward biased when P of the junction diode is connected with the positive of the battery and N of the junction diode is connected with the negative of the battery. Under such condition, your PN junction diode is said to be forward biased. So see, in the circuit diagram, let us suppose this is P and this is N, and we have this PN junction diode. This PN junction diode is basically forward biased. What I mean by forward biased? Forward biased means P is connected with the positive of the battery and N is connected with the negative of the battery. Then what is the influence? How the current is flowing through this diagram and what behavior of the current we people are going to discuss, right? So this is the circuit diagram that we people have to discuss. When P is connected with the positive, N is connected with the negative, then circuit diagram is responsible for the forward biasing. In order to make it more elaborated, इसको easy बनाने के लिए मैं P और N को होल और इलेक्ट्रॉन की कंसंट्रेशन में शो करूंगा यहाँ पे. So see, this is P region and we have differentiation between P and N region with the help of a junction diode. This is a junction. When P is connected with the positive of the battery, so this scenario is here, P is connected with the positive and N is connected with the negative of the battery through milliampere meter. Now what happened to my this junction diode? In the P region, basically we are talking about holes, and holes are represented by these circles, and in the N region I am talking about electron. Electrons are negatively charged carrier which are represented by dots. Let us suppose initially this is the junction length, that is the length of the depletion layer, where some of the electrons, those who are here in the hole side, and some of the holes are there in the N region, which is represented like that. अब जैसे ही आप P को पॉजिटिव से कनेक्ट करेंगे और N को नेगेटिव से कनेक्ट करेंगे, व्हाट विल हैपन? दिस इज पॉजिटिव ऑफ द बैटरी एंड P हैविंग होल्स इनसाइड, तो ये पॉजिटिव इन होल्स को रिपेल करेगा एंड ड्यूरिंग द रिपल्शन दे आर गोइंग टू हिट द डिप्लेशन लेयर। तो ये होल डिप्लेशन लेयर के ऊपर एक प्रेशर क्रिएट करेंगे जिससे डिप्लेशन लेयर की लेंथ जो होगी वो कम हो जाएगी। इन द सिमिलर वे जब आप इलेक्ट्रॉन यहां से कैरी करके N के पास लेके जाएंगे, since these are already the negatively charged particle inside the N region, so this negative is going to repel these negative and there is again a kind of pressure over the depletion layer। तो इस केस में हमारी डिप्लेशन लेयर जो है वो कम हो जाएगी, that decreases, or we can say its width is very less। So when depletion layer decreases, then what will happen? Majority of the hole they will move from P region to N region, means यहाँ पे maximum hole जो है वो transfer करेंगे P region से N region में। In the similar way, number of electrons those who are present here, maximum of them can travel from N region to P region, and we know whenever there is mobility either for the holes or either for the electrons, then current start flowing from the circuit. So this current start flowing from the circuit in the direction as shown in figure. So this is how forward biasing basically work। अब होता क्या है यहाँ पे, ड्यू टू वेरी लेस विड्थ ऑफ द डिप्लेशन लेयर, मैक्सिमम होल्स इधर ट्रेवल करेंगे और मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर ट्रेवल करेंगे, तो आपके जंक्शन डायोड से जो करंट जाएगा दैट करंट इज मैक्सिमम, and this maximum current immediately increases। Fine, so what are the characteristics? Number one, in the very first case what I can say, the width of the depletion layer decreases, width of depletion layer decreases। Number two, what will happen to the resistance? The resistance in case of forward bias decreases। Number three, current in the circuit I that becomes maximum, this current is maximum। Why it is maximum? Because the resistance of the circuit is very less, and this current is measured in the units milliampere। Fine,